In this lesson, we will see together les figures de style. But more precisely, we will see l'apostrophe. So the first thing that we should define is les figures de style. What are we talking about? In the French language, as in any language, there are numerous figures of style, also known as figures de style or figures de rhétorique. These figures of speech are used to enhance the expressiveness, imagery, and impact of language in both spoken and written communication. These figures of style are used by writers and speakers to add depth, imagery, emphasis, and rhetorical flair to their language. And it makes their expressions more engaging and memorable. So, this lesson is about l'apostrophe. Apostrophe is a rhetorical device in which a speaker addresses an absent or non-human entity as if it were a person. It is often used to convey strong emotions, to add emphasis, or to create a sense of direct communication with the object or concept being addressed. Apostrophe is a common figure of speech used in poetry and literature to evoke emotions and create a sense of connection between the speaker and the addressed entity. So we'll see some examples with l'apostrophe. Ô vent, emporte mes soucis loin d'ici. Ô vent, emporte mes soucis loin d'ici. Ô nuit étoilée, que tu es belle ce soir. Ô nuit étoilée, que tu es belle ce soir. Cher café, tu es mon réconfort dans les moments sombres. Cher café, tu es mon réconfort dans les moments sombres. Ô mer, raconte-moi tes secrets mystérieux. Ô mer, raconte-moi tes secrets mystérieux. Brave soleil, réchauffe nos cœurs avec ta lumière. Brave soleil, réchauffe nos cœurs avec ta lumière. Ô douce lune, veille sur nous pendant notre sommeil. Ô douce lune, veille sur nous pendant notre sommeil.